what's going on? It's your boy 360 Woods here, and I'm back at it again with another video. And this time I have a video that's a method video. We're not going no brush session, no review. This time I have a method, and this method it might get people staring at you a little weird, and it might have people be like, man, what is this dude doing? You know, and it's not in the good way. It's not where, you know, it's not when girls just drop and be like, ooh, no, it's when people be like,
sit the fuck down.
But you know what, this method, it works, you know, and that's why I want to share this. So you know what, let's head to the bathroom and let's waste no more time and let's get into the video. Let's get it. Alright guys, so you know what, let's not waste no time, alright? I don't want to waste any time. Let's just get into it, alright? So the method that I want to show y'all, okay? The method, the plastic bag method, alright? Now, a lot of people don't like doing this method, alright? And I'm going to tell you why. It's because when you see a man with a bag on his hand and he's going like this to his waist, people gonna stare, you know. I do it in school sometimes, and people do that look like,
seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
So I mean, it's up to you guys if you guys want to use this method, but I highly recommend using this method, and it's because this plastic bag method, it seems silly, but it lays your hair down. Aid! It lays every fuzzy hair, and just your waves look completely laid. Aid! And that's what I like about this method. It gives a little shine to it too, that's what we all want, you know, because it makes the waves look a lot better. Alright, now look, let me just show you what I'm working with right now, alright? Let me show you, because the progress is real, alright? Let me show y'all, look, I've been going ham on the brush sessions. It's just crazy. Like, look at that. Look at that. It don't get better than that right there. And I'm gonna tell you why. That shine and how my waves are laid, it's all because I'm doing this plastic bag method. All right, and I told you it works. I mean, the proof is in the pudding. Like that is the pudding, and I am the proof. And let me show you how it works. All right. So usually after I get in a good session with my wavy merch brushes, you know, after I get a nice good session in, and you know, and mostly when I'm at school, because you know, a plastic bag is portable. You can fold this up, put it in your book bag, you know, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. You know, you can put it anywhere. You can put it on the side pocket. You can put it anywhere. So, I mean, you can take it anywhere. It's just if you guys feel comfortable having people stare at you. See, I don't care. Shoot, I care more about my hairs than people going like. Yeah, I don't really care. So I mean, after I'm at school, you know, and I'm just getting that brush session in, and I'm just going ham on the brush session. Then usually, you know, your hair starts to lift up after a while. And that's when I come in and I grab my plastic bag, right, and I just go right in ham. Let me show you how I do it. Look, you go right there. And basically, it just lays down that hair. I don't know how, and I don't really care. As long as it worked, I mean, that's all that matters, you know. That's all that matters. I just had to show this quick little video, you know. I had to show this quick little video on this method. So yeah, I'm not just keeping, you know, all my secrets in, you know, one little confined box. You know, I want to let it all out there so then y'all can improve on y'all ways. So that's basically all there is to it, you know. That's it. It's quick. You know, you don't have to, you know, just still the brushwork. You know, that plastic bag ain't gonna give you waves. It just lays down your waves just so they look better. So that's about it. But Another thing that I wanted to share with you guys is something that I told you guys maybe about my 2 videos ago that I wanted to move this channel, you know, and also make something, you know, make some videos that, you know, might not always be straight hair waver videos, you know, how to get y'all waves. But I finally found my niche, something that I really wanted to do, all right? And here's it right here, okay? This is it. So, what I wanted to do is I want to try something. I want to make a film. I want to make a film that, you know, you guys can watch and you guys be motivated so y'all don't lose hope. Because when you're a straight hair waver, it's hard. It's hard to get waves, and it may seem like it's impossible. But, you know, these films that I put together, it shows also my journey. And, you know, the things that I've been through, you know, how hard it was me just looking in the mirror and I'm not seeing any progress. So one thing that I want to do is I want to make short films. Films that are enjoyable to watch. And it just motivates you. It motivates you to keep going, not give up. You be in the bathroom for maybe an hour or 2 just brushing. You know, just brush. That's all it takes. And y'all can be, you know, y'all can be spinning, you know? You know, y'all can be spinning, you know what I mean? Like 360 Jeezy said.
You mad cause I'm spinning.
But you know what? There's only 2 more things I need to say. And it's like, comment, subscribe, and it's 360 Woods. And I'm out. Yeah!